Hello, it's me again, Theo. Ready to explore more? Let's talk about how MYTHEO makes your investment journey uniquely yours. What are you investing for? To grow your assets, generate income, or protect your assets from inflation? MYTHEO understands that everyone has different goals and needs. Here's where MYTHEO stands out in terms of building your investment portfolio. Typically, asset classes are used to build portfolios. But MYTHEO takes a different approach. We use functional portfolios as the building block. These functional portfolios are carefully designed to deliver returns aligned with their specific functions. For example, our inflation hedge portfolio aims to provide returns similar to inflation, and each functional portfolio may contain a mix of asset classes. When you join MYTHEO, we don't just give you a one-size-fits-all portfolio. We assess your unique investment needs and allocate your investments across the functional portfolios accordingly. As a result, your needs and your portfolio are a perfect reflection. But here's where it gets exciting. You have the power to further customize your portfolio anytime. Want to fine-tune your risk level or explore different investment goals? It's all at your fingertips. By adjusting the target exposure to the functional portfolios, you can choose from over 228 portfolio combinations that MYTHEO algorithms have optimized. And there you have it, your investment portfolio, built on your needs and is uniquely yours, with the flexibility to adapt as your goals evolve.